Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a warm toned smoky eye using only the Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette. I think this look is very appropriate for Valentine's Day, which is just around the corner at this stage. If you like this eyeshadow look, then just keep watching and let's jump straight into the video. So first of all, I'm going to take raw sienna and put that in my crease using the tapered blending E40 brush from Sigma. Now with the Sigma E39, I'm going to take Realga and place that even further into the crease. Now on the E45, I'm going to take Red Ochre. Now on the E25, I'm going to take the shade Venetian Red. And I'm going to put this all over my lid. And I'm blending that ever so slightly into the crease. I'm going to go in with the shade Cypress Umber. I'm going to place that on the outer corner here, and I'm just using the E39 to do that. I'm actually going to take that Cypress Umber shade all over the lid. Going in with a bit more of Red Ochre, I'm going to take that just here, just on the crease where the colours join, just so we can blend that out even more. On the E39, I'm just going to take raw sienna onto the bottom lash line. Now on the E45, I'm going to take Red Ochre. Now on the E30 pencil brush, I'm going to take Cypress Umber. I'm just going to keep that as close to the lower lash line as possible. Now to clean that up around the edges, I'm just going to take a wedge sponge and some banana powder. This one's by Australis. I'm just going to take that around the edges to clean it up and give it that nice sharp effect. Now to brighten up the inner corner, I'm just going to take the E37 and Vermeer. I'm going to place that in the inner corner. Taking the E65, I'm just going to put some liner on my top lash line. Now that false lashes are on, I'm just going to apply Honey Love and Hug Me from MAC. So guys, there you have it. This is the finished makeup look. Just a warm toned smoky eye that I think would be perfect for Valentine's Day. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below of any video requests you have. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having a great day or night, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.